Yeah, this exact exercise is actually, we will create a line plot to show stock trends. The aim of this exact exercise is to not just visualize the data, but to use labels, a title and a legend to make the visualization self-explanatory and complete. Okay, so let me just do some look out for some scenario, that is well, let me, you are interested in investing in stocks. You have to download the stock prices for the very big marketing, that is Amazon, Google, Apple, Facebook and Microsoft. And I have included you the data set of the exact respectively, and you want to visualize the closing price in dollars to identify the trends. Okay, so this data set is available, I have shared with you. And what we are just going to do is, first let me start with the importing statement. Yeah, we have imported the main libraries here, that is the necessary modules which that enable plotting with the Jupyter. So here Matplotlib, and for functionality we have used NumPy and Pandas. Let I just execute it, dear friends. Okay, fine. Next one, it is the main thing where we have to load the data set, and kindly download the exact data set and put it in a folder where specify the correct path. Okay, so the located folder here I have specified it as a data set, and make it the exact path in your system. Okay, and here what I just was using is read underscore csv function, where it just reads the csv file into the data frames. Okay, so let I just execute it to load the data set. And next, see here, dear friends, actually we are just using the Matplotlib to create a line chart that visualize the closing price for the past 5 years, which we are just having the whole data sequence for all the 5 companies. And we need to add labels, titles and a legend to make the visualization self-explanatory. So here we are using the plot grid function to add a grid to the plot. Okay, so this is the exact figure which we are just having it in a DPI of, that is dot per inch as 300. Okay, and next, adding on to that, each and every plot we are just making it as a label. And next, what is the exact specification, that is the ticks, that is x ticks and y ticks. Okay, and see here the x ticks, here I have specified the rotation 70 to see the required label in legible manner. And next, the title of the whole picture, here we have just specified as stock trends, and the y label here is closing price. Okay, let I just execute it, and adding here the grid and legends also has been added to this plot. And see, this is our final output. And from this diagram we can see that the stock price of Google and Amazon are high compared to that of Facebook and Microsoft and Apple.